Now take a look at this $20 payment received from PayPal. I want you to imagine real quick what if you can have all of these money sending into your PayPal account. Again and again, how could that change your life? Because in just a few minutes, I will show you exactly step by step how you can start earning $11 again and again right now. One of the easiest methods will do earn some fast and easy PayPal money, and the best part about these methods today is that all you need is just a simple mobile phone and also internet connection. And it's 100% free, and it is working in many different countries. All you need is just follow my step-by-step instruction and you can begin earning money starting today right after watching this video. And I have to be super honest with you. I've identified and discovered this secret hack, which I'll show you throughout the entire video, that changes everything. In the end of the video, I will show you how to accelerate this income without doing any hard work. I go from making $0 to be able to make $20, $100 is like almost every single day, having those PayPal money sending into my bank account. And you have to pay very close attention to the entire video. If you are serious about making big money, our unit is just watch this video from the start and to the end, and I'll show you exactly step by step how you can avoid the mistakes and earning a lot of money again and again. And if this is the first time came across my channel, I put a new video every single day about different methods to make money online. If you are interested in that, be sure to go down below and click on the red subscribe button right now. Also turning on the notification as well. If you're to learn exactly how to earn $500 up to $2,000 a day, I will show you exactly how to do that. Check out the first link under the video description, click on that and I'll share with you all the details on the inside. Alright guys, you're gonna just go on to google.com. You have to follow me step by step so that you won't miss any critical information from me. And I want you to type in a keyword points prizes. Okay, type in points prizes. Then click on search and you can see a bunch of different websites. But I want you to click on this OK points prizes. That's the website that we are going to be discussing in today's video. But it is not that simple that what you're seeing right now. On span 5 you can do many simple small tasks that are able to make money again and again. Let me show you real quick. If you want to sign up, okay, I'll show the actual sign-up process. Points Prizes is a website which allows you to get point while doing simple tasks, then you can convert those point into PayPal payment. Of course, I figured out how to get points without doing anything. So, here it goes. I want you to put in your real email in my email address. But I am using fake mail for showing you. After you create your account, in top of the page you'll see something like earn free gift cards. After you create your account, go to the Use Coupons page, in the left side of the page, and enter all this. Now you have 500 points, for PayPal payment you need 3,000 points. So how you can do it, so connect with me at the end. You can see here has referral link, copy it. Now, as I promised beginning, I will tell you 2 secret hack. Following these secret hack, I earned 2091 point in a couple minutes. First secret hack. Now go to YouTube, search Points Prizes coupon code 2020. You can see there many video show with lot of views. Open these videos, see, there in description has referral link. Those video owner earns from it. So guys, don't worry, you don't need to make video, because you are watched my video, I give you a gift. Download this video. Upload on YouTube. Change description, paste your referral link on it. Now sit down and enjoy PayPal money come from your referrals link. I hope you like my first method. Now time for second. Go to Facebook, type make money online, go to group tab, join those group. And post your referral link. Okay, follow other guys posting formula. You wanna know the exact secret? How people are making like 20 of hundreds of dollars per day on this website. Follow my secret tips, and don't forget to claim free 500 point. And one thing here, you can see now I have 2091 points. I use Facebook group posting method. So in a few minutes I earned those points. You are new to my channel again. Be sure to go down there. Click on the subscribe button to have more real and legit methods on how to make money online. And for those of you guys, if you want to make a little bit more money, Because maybe you want a little bit more than just a few dollars or even 50 cents $5. You feel that it is not enough for you to create the financial freedom that you want. You're gonna buy your dream car unit, buy your dream house. You're gonna provide everything for your loved one, for your family. And you wanna have your life changed. There is exactly what I'm doing. And I have my life changed because of joining this opportunity, and I want to make that happen in your life today, right? Click on the first link down in the video description and I'll share all the details on how you can get started as a complete beginner, just like what I did a few months ago. So click on that and we're gonna get you started. So that's all for today's video. I hope that you do give some sort of value from me, and I'll see you again on my next video. Take care. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment down below, say hi, and also comment your country below, so that I can provide more opportunities in your area. And that's all, you guys pick an awesome day. Thanks for watching. If you are still watching and do this point right now, you are my true friends, and comment down below. I'll reply to your comment, because only 1% of my true fans will watch onto these minutes, okay? Thank you so much, and I'll see you on my next video. Take care. Bye for now.